Hi everybody, this is the planet Earth here. I'm in the middle of absolute nowhere. I haven't seen a car for the last 20 minutes, but it's the most peaceful serenity I have found. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Look, check this out. Literally in the middle of nowhere. I don't know if this camera can pick up the stars. But yeah, I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing out here. Wait, let me see if the echo works. I want to see if that stereotypical echo works. Hold on. Whoop! Whoop! Wow. It does work. You gotta have mountains though. Meow! Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, it echoes. Alright, hold on. Yodelay! That's fucked up, dude. That's really fucked up. I see nothing out here. Okay, hold on. Ocean! Hey, God! Can you hear me now? Okay, guys, I'm done playing with nature.